In this video, I want to show you how to solve this type of questions. Now the question says a plus b is equal to 8, and then the product of a and b is 12. Then we are asked to find the value of a squared plus b squared. Well, here is approach this type of questions. Let's say our solution. Now we have a plus b. We have, that is the sum of a and b. We also have the product of a and b. Well, but there's nothing like a squared, b squared in the equations we have been given. And then we are asked to find those terms. So we should manipulate these two equations they give us in such a way that we result in a value or an expression of a squared plus b squared. Well, is it possible to have a squared plus b squared from ab? No, but of course it is possible with a plus b. Let me show you how to do that. Well, we are going to square both sides of the first equation. That's a plus b squared is equal to 8 squared. For those of you who don't know how to expand a plus b squared, a plus b whole squared is the same as a plus b multiplied by itself twice. Yes, that is the same. But for the sake of this video, I will use the shorter method, that is a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. But you can go ahead and use the traditional expansion. You will still get the same answer. Now let's continue. From here, we say a squared. Then we add to that the product of a and b multiplied by the power. That is 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b. That is 2ab. Then from there, we square the second term. That will give us b squared. And this is equal to 8 squared. And 8 squared is 64. Well, from here, we begin to see similarities. We have a squared, b squared. We also have, in fact, ab in our equation. The AB is being multiplied by 2, by the way, but that is not a problem because we know the value of AB, we know the value of we know the value of AB, and then we want to find the value of a squared plus b squared. So we can go ahead and substitute the value of AB, that is the product of a and b, in our equation to find the value of a squared plus b squared. But from here, let's substitute the value of AB into our equation. AB is equal to 12. Now, let's write down our a squared, then plus b squared. Then we add to that 2 multiplied by the value of AB, that is 12. So let's write 12 instead of AB. And this is equal to 64. Then from here, let's go ahead and rewrite 2 multiplied by 12 is 24. And this is equal to 64. Now, in order to have a squared plus b squared on its own, let's move 64 to the right-hand side. Then we'll have a squared plus b squared is equal to 64 minus 24. Then from there we have a squared plus b squared is equal to 40. And this is what the question asks us to find. Therefore, this is the final answer. So please, if you like this video, consider subscribing to my channel, like and comment. That is the best way to support Mathphilia. Thank you for watching this video.